Let's get in a word from the Civil Aviation Minister Ajit Singh, where he has categorically said that there will be no bailout for Kingfisher.
What about the Kingfisher? Because that's the hot topic now. Are you likely to cancel the Kingfisher's license?
See, DGCA is looking into their problems. If DGCA which decides whether safety is affected or not, financial stress they have, and they have special audit for each Kingfisher flight also. So DGCA is looking into it, and I think today or tomorrow they have asked Vijay Mallya also to come and meet him. Let's see what his report is.
Will you rule out the possibility of cancelling the license? Because you said earlier that till they have 5 aircraft they can fly. So will you rule out?
That's the rule. So there's nothing we can do about that. If he gives a plan where he says, I'll have that many planes and that much schedule, then why should we cancel? But what is the problem is, last 2-3 months he has given several plans and he has not adhered to any of them. So that's the problem.
A strict action is required against Kingfisher. That's what you will say now.
Let's see what plan he offers today, and then it's for DGCA to see if it can be adhered to or not.
So what's the winter schedule submitted by the airline? What's the winter schedule?
Summer schedule, again they have cut down the number of planes from 28 to I think 18 or so.
28 to 18.
सिंह साहब, ये काफ़ी कंफ्यूजन है. बार बार इस तरह के स्टेटमेंट आते हैं कि लाइसेंस कैंसिल हो सकता है. उसके बाद फिर एश्योरेंस दिया जाता है डीजीसी और सरकार दोनों की तरफ से कि हम लाइसेंस नहीं कैंसिल करना चाहते हैं. तो उसके बारे में
as a government, we don't want to shut down any industry. Forget airline, any industry. They are employees. They are customers. Now, Kingfisher had about 22% of the traffic. If you close it down suddenly, then what will happen to the passengers? You know where the fares will go if that happens. So, as long as passenger safety is not jeopardized, we gave them all the chance.
Sir, about 49% FDI. What is the situation now? Where has
we have moved. The Civil Aviation Ministry has moved the note to the DIPP, which is under Commerce Ministry, and they'll make a note and send it to the cabinet.
Sir, हिंदी में एक बार
What's the plan, sir? You're acquiring all 27 787s for Air India, or you're cutting down on some?
No, we are not cutting down on them, but the delivery process itself will take about 3 years. Okay. It's not that you get 27 planes in one go.
No,
they'll be delivering one or two.
What will be the government's recommendation?
I think it should be a good plane for Air India.